Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is lcsulak. Nice to meet you.
Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo de.
Good morning. So today we are going to Avenues Mall. Yeah, we're going to 400 Gradi. Apparently Noah said that the won an award for the best margarita pizza.
Yeah, them three. We went to the drive-thru. Got a bit of a latte.
We're going to Vlogtober 400 Gradi. Okay, bye.
Guys, look at Leah. She literally has the whole menu like this.
Mine's in Arabic.
Why? I think I'm gonna get the... No, I'm gonna get lemonade. And I'm gonna get this pizza, this one. It's probably... I'm scared of it because it's like... It's cheese, smoked salmon, lemon infused ricotta and rocket. What are you getting? Which one is the Suprema? Can we have 2 lemonades? Or you only have orange juice? Or actually no, the apron lavender.
Put 1 La Salmonata pizza, 1 Suprema, and 1 Ortolano.
Yes.
And for the dessert later, 1 mango tiramisu.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Garlic bread.
This is garlic bread. Nice task. Looking really good. No, mine looks the best. Even if yours looks very green.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat this now. Good. Is it really good? Very good. And we got some oil. Where's the cheese? Oh yeah, we got that. We got the cheese.
Hello everybody, good morning. Okay, so we're gonna go to the gym and then stay there at the pool. Noah? Let's check the lighting. Yes, clean. I had a conspiracy theory, but now I forgot it. Oh yeah, I know what it was. It was, listen to the conspiracy theory, okay? The Simpsons predicted the KSI versus Logan Paul fight.
Why?
I'm gonna show you on Instagram. Okay?
I think KSI won.
I mean, KSI did win. It's like a fact of life.
It's a fact.
It's a fact.
We're going to the gym now because we want to be fat.
Papa fat.
Papa fat.
Papa so.
Papa so.
Papa so bad. Didn't touch my bad. We're gonna do a montage in the gym.
Can I get a pumpkin spice latte?
Really?
Noah, N-O-A.
Anything else?
No, that's it. I have 1 250.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ice pumpkin latte. That's ice for the what?
Thank you.
As requested. Thanks so much.
And I'm starting my vlog right now. Why is this not? Okay, anyway, I'm actually waiting for my auntie because we're going to eat at the Four Seasons restaurant. Wait, my auntie's calling me. Hello you guys, I'm in the car right now and we are going to go and eat. We are now at the Four Seasons, you guys. Look at this. Yeah. Look at all of these elevators, guys. Our dive form is 21st, and that's the view of Kuwait City. And that is me. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy your lunch.
We have arrived, and the view is beautiful. I'm at Starbucks right now, and they put 3 hearts for me, which is always a good sign. I am heading to go shopping with my friend Anishi, so you guys will see her in the vlog very shortly. You're already filming. Are you getting the
I'm getting sea salt. Let's do a taste test. I'll do a taste test for everyone.
Yeah, do a taste test.
I'll do a taste test for everyone on your YouTube channel. I'll have the sea salt in a cup.
Is it really good? Out of 10?
10.
But we're going to the new H&M.
Popping everywhere.
We're in the biggest H&M in the world. And it's like huge. And there's like a sale too.
Pick us up at 6:30, okay?
Okay. A lime and a coconut. And a coconut. Hello guys, hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another segment of the vlog. I look like absolute crap, but that is fine. This is genius. Okay, I'm going to be making some cookies. I'm in like a baking mood. I'm going to be making some huge ass cookies and they're going to be amazing. And it is bomb.com. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to be following a recipe, and yes, that's gonna be fun. Okay, so for this recipe you will need, and by the way I'm following Tanya Burrs cookie recipe, so I will link that down below if you guys want to make this. So you will need about 200 grams of butter. We love a bit of butter in our lives. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Gotta do that. Then we've got a nice little bowl here to mix up all of our ingredients. Some sugar, yes, 1 large egg, self-raising flour, a little dash of milk, a large bar of milk chocolate, very little Cadbury one, and then let's do this. Zipsy, cream together your butter and sugar. Sugar, yes please. We shall cream that together. I don't like touching butter. Ew. Ew. Chop it up. Chop the butter up. Oh, chop the butter up. Oh. 200 grams. Done. Yes. Okay. Got our butter in there. 300 grams of caster sugar. You'll need a whisk. Okay. Guys, I just need the cookies. They look huge and they look amazing. I have to wait for them to cool down a bit. I'm going to try some of this. I'm so excited. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, oh my god. That is the update for now, you guys. Aloha. Is this good? It's gonna fall.
Your face.
Leggings are nice. Love leggings, nice leggings. Then I have the Ivy Park merch. Beyonce merch. Ivy Park is Beyonce's merch.
Yes.
We're going to do a cooking with Leo.
I have a pot. I'll need water. You can't even see my face.
Okay, I'll be the camera.
Yeah, you have to be blessed with my face. Okay, let's make it very aesthetically pleasing.
How do you make water pleasing?
Hi everybody, so today I'm going to be doing how to make ravioli. First we're going to fill the pot with water.
Yes.
Now we're going to wait for the water to go to a boil.
We're doing Vlogmas.
We are.
We'll put up weekly vlogs. Did you get it?
That's not vlogging.
Yes, it is. So yeah, get ready for that, guys.
Why is the Wi-Fi schnitzel?
If you guys want to have a fit body like Leah, then eat pasta. Pesto di basilico is pinoli. Fitness with Leah. I have a problem.
Go follow my Instagram at lcsulak. lcsulak out.
You still have to cook your pasta, idiot. Okay, bye bye. Aloha guys, hello, hello, hello. So we are heading to Marks and Spencer's, M&S. I'm also wearing a sweater because it's nearly November the 1st, and I will update you guys when we are there. Bye guys. We're going in, you guys. I'm going to go to the food section because I want some food. Let me just put my hair up. What I got from M&S. So I got some salted caramel, honey mustard and onion pretzel pieces, Scottish shortbread, fingers, some mini Scottish shortbread fingers chocolate brownie bar. So hope you enjoyed my little M&S haul. We will see you guys very soon in the next vlog. Hopefully we'll upload next week. We will see you very soon with another vlog.